When it comes to cleaning up a grimy situation, using the correct chemicals is key. Too weak and the job will take longer. Too strong and you could be doing more damage than cleaning. With this week's feature product, you can use the right cleaner for any dirty task at hand. Check out the WYPALL Power Clean WetTask system from Kimberly Clark. This kit is designed for anyone who loves the convenience of a pop-up wet wipes container but needs the solvent to be more tailored to their specific situation. Simply pop open the bucket, drop in one of the 6 included towel rolls, add in your favorite cleaning solution, and bam, you're ready to wipe away all of life's filthy problems. Thanks to their hydro knit construction, every wipe is hefty enough to scrub away any stuck-on muck, while their solution saturation makes sure that every sheet delivers the same amount of cleaner with every wipe. And with 95 sheets per roll, 6 rolls in the kit, that's 570 opportunities to scour and scrub your messy troubles away. Got an unwashed washroom? Splash some Primrose bathroom cleaner into the bucket for a powerful lavatory scrubber. Need to sterilize a counter? Drench the wipes in some Primrose ready-to-use disinfectant and make sure that no germ stands a chance. What about a glob of grease on the shop floor? Primrose's alkaline cleaner degreaser will give those wipes the strength to keep any and all workspaces sparkling. Thanks to the enclosed WetTask system, you can reduce your chemical usage by 20% when you're comparing to the old rag and bucket cleaning method. It also helps to eliminate the exposure to chemical vapors, splashes, and even keeps VOC emissions down for safer work environment. Plus, you don't need to launder any dirty and contaminated towels or rags. So get the filthy chore of cleaning up done smarter, faster, and cleaner with this week's feature product, the WYPALL Power Clean WetTask system from Kimberly Clark. What cleaner would you use with the Power Clean WetTask system? Let me know in the comments below, and keep checking back to the channel for more unique and awesome feature products. Keep it Canadian clean out there.